Hello, welcome to the fourth video in our tutorial series. In the last video, we covered view types and how to use them. If you haven't gone over it, please go over it and return here to continue. Today, we will cover sharing and permission in Opendashboard, specifically inviting a member to a page, updating permissions on a page, removing a member from a page, publishing a view publicly, adding new members to your workspace, understanding roles in a workspace. All right, let's kick things off. To invite a new member to a page, locate the Share button at the top right of the page and click on it. Enter the person's email address, choose the desired access level, and click Invite. If you invite non-members to the page, they'll be added as collaborators in your workspace. To update members' permissions on a page, click the Share button on the page. Find the member and choose the desired access level. To remove a member from a page, click the Share button on the page, find the member, and choose the access level as None. To publish a view publicly, locate the Share View button next to the view switcher and click on it. You will get three options: Share Link, Publish, and Embed. Click on Publish, then follow the prompt to make the view public. To add new members to your workspace, click on Settings, then Members. You will see the Invite Member button. Click on it and follow the prompt to add the member to your workspace. There are 4 role types in Opendashboard: Owner, Admin, Member, and Collaborator. An owner has full access and control over the workspace. An admin holds elevated access and can manage members and billing, but cannot delete the workspace. A member can access public pages and databases and create their own, but cannot manage members or billing. A collaborator can only view pages and databases shared with them. They cannot create new pages or databases. In the next video, we'd go over emails in Opendashboard.